Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my PM recap of the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So anyways, the euro dollar overall on the dollar pairs have been pretty rangy overall. The dollar and the DXY have definitely been in a range. But we did get a 100% fib bounce today. If this really was an A, B, and we're in a wave C right now, if it's a regular ABC correction, like a regular flat type thing, then this definitely could be the area where it turns the 100% Fibonacci extension. So if it does go up and take out this spike with momentum, then I would probably have to say it really is a wave seed. It really is continuing the uptrend. But something about it definitely makes me think that that's probably not what's going to happen because it does kind of have that 1, 2, 3 look. So it's probably more likely going to be kind of sideways. Probably eventually it'll do one more push up, probably grab liquidity, and then I think it's more likely it's going to go down to the 123 or the 138% Fibonacci extension. But I do think this is very likely a wave C, and if you actually go zoom out a little bit, I think it's more likely that it's going to probably stretch out into something like this, like an expanding ABC, and then probably end up continuing the uptrend from there. So definitely overall still very, very bullish. I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend because of the higher time frames. So as usual, don't forget to join my free Discord. Link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading to everyone.